Anyway, guys, we just got to the beach yesterday afternoon, and I'm gonna make my condo unit tour. And I'm so excited to be here. I did not make any yesterday because I had a full day of driving and just wanted to get to relax and chill the rest of the day without making any videos. But today is the start of all of my vacation videos. But we are staying at the same place, the same resort as the last 3 years. Well, this year and the past 2 years. And we stayed in this room 2 years ago, so some of you guys might already know what it looks like, or will recognize it. But for the new ones that have tuned in and have joined my channel since then, you guys will be in for a treat. So this is what it looks like when you walk in. True. Obviously, there's a laundry machine in this room. I forget which door it is. Here's the fridge, the freezer. Here's the kitchen area. Some storage and stuff. A desk. Table. Here's the living room area. My parents' room. They have a bathroom. I also have a big closet. And they have a balcony. It's a fantastic view from their balcony. You can see down towards the south. At nighttime, you can see the sky wheel lighting up at night. That is way down in Myrtle Beach, which is down farther. We are in North Myrtle, to be exact. And then walk out. Here's another bathroom in here. And the best thing is that bathroom, it has 2 doors. Here's mine and Josh's room, my bed, Josh's bed. The door leading out to the main balcony for mine and Josh's room. And also, that's the other door that I just walked by a little bit ago. We just keep that one shut. And I'll show you guys the view once I go out there to go drink my coffee. I'll get a clip. And I'll also show you guys after that, when me and Josh go down to the beach, the view from the hallway right outside the door